Assalamu alaikum viewers, today's topic is about cantaloupe or muskmelons. Do share it with your friends and family members so that they too can get knowledge about it. Who among you is not familiar with cantaloupe or muskmelons? It is a very amazing thing. Allah has created such a fruit which is very beneficial in every way. And it is more beneficial than before. That is, imagine that the peel of this cantaloupe or muskmelons is also very beneficial. The pulp of this melon is also very beneficial. And the seeds of this cantaloupe or muskmelon are also very beneficial. The roots of this cantaloupe or muskmelons are also very beneficial. It is such an amazing thing. And in today's vlog I will tell you what are its benefits, who should eat it, who should not eat it, and what can happen with cantaloupe or muskmelons, how to identify it. And is a sweet melon more beneficial or a sour cantaloupe or muskmelons? You will get all this in today's vlog, but I request you to watch the whole vlog. It is a very expensive vlog, very expensive. Come on, let's not waste time. If we talk about its seeds first, then its seeds are a memory booster. It increases our memory a lot. It increases the strength of our brain a lot. Even for this, it is more expensive than almonds. Cantaloupe or muskmelon seeds. If we talk about its seeds first, then its seeds are a memory booster. It increases our memory a lot. It increases the strength of our brain a lot. Even for this, it is more expensive than almonds. Cantaloupe or muskmelon seeds. And then its seeds, they increase the male sperm a lot. Its reproductive qualities, their health, their level, their behavior, they increase their sperm a lot, and it also gives birth to children. In that, it proves to be very helpful in giving birth to children. This is a very valuable thing for him. It is more beneficial for reproductive qualities because it contains a lot of zinc, which plays a very important role in improving the health of male sperm. Then there is potassium in its seeds. This potassium relaxes the blood vessels. It stimulates the blood flow. And when the blood flow is stimulated, then the blood pressure will increase. And when it increases, your heart health will improve. You will be safe from heart disease. And when the blood flow is stimulated, then the blood pressure will increase. And when it increases, your heart health will improve. You will be safe from heart disease. Then, it controls the amount of sugar in the blood. And because of that, where sugar will be controlled, weight will also be controlled. It plays a very important role in removing the waste from the body. It eliminates swelling. In addition to that, it removes the waste and waste materials and improves the health of the male sperm. Similarly, its sperm is so valuable. Its biggest advantage is that it does not get constipated. It does not get constipated, it purifies it from the grave. In our stomach, if there is any ulcer, it cures it. It removes the impurities and waste from the body. To do this, you should eat cantaloupe or muskmelons on an empty stomach in the morning. If you want to empty your stomach completely, then eat it on an empty stomach. Then you will see that it will remove all the impurities from the body. It will make you light, and this will start improving your stomach. It will also improve the bowel movement of the intestines. In addition to that, its pulp removes stones. In addition to that, this cantaloupe or muskmelons is the stone of our kidneys. It contains sand. It contains sand. It will also improve the bowel movement of the intestines. In addition to that, its pulp removes stones. In addition to that, this cantaloupe or muskmelons is the stone of our kidneys. It contains sand. It contains sand. I will also tell you its method. You should listen to the benefits of cantaloupe or muskmelons. It is very good for kidney stones. It removes sand, it repairs our intestines. It is a urinary power. It eliminates constipation. It is very good for the heart and brain. It is digestive. As I told you before, it controls sugar. It is very good for our constipation. It also improves the secretion of white blood cells. It increases its production. It increases its quantity. There are many people who do not have children. If they get their semen tested, they find out that they are vomiting in urine, then they should eat cantaloupe or muskmelons, and there is a solution for that too. Melons are also very good for them. It is very good for ulcers. It is very good for hepatitis A, B, and C. It is very good for all three types. It repairs the liver, it cleanses the veins in the liver, it improves the health of the liver. It improves the function of the liver, it is very good for ulcers, it reconditions the stomach, it makes the stomach new, it is very beneficial for the stomach, it is a stomach-friendly food.